Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TREP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But definitely want to get things updated after today's price movement. Definitely another nice move here. So the first thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning and get rid of this line down there. Yes, that level still pertains to the chart. It's just not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, I talked about 10 cents being that level of resistance. But now that the price has broken up above it today, again, as the rule states, you would want to see it act as support. And surprise, surprise, during the final 30 minutes of the day right there, got a beautiful bounce from it. So 10 cents definitely now confirmed as that newest area of support. However, I'm not going to call that a must-hold level or anything like that. I mean, it's not like if the price falls below 10 cents, the entire chart's ruined or anything. Taking a step back and looking at things from a bigger picture point of view, that's where the purple line here comes into play. The famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How are you going to best visualize that? That's what's being represented. Again, sure, staying above 10 cents, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as where the resistance levels and sellers are hanging out at, seems to be somewhat of a miniature resistance right here at the 14-cent mark, and then after 14 cents, just simply where the party stopped today, and that was right up there around 15.5 cents. So all in all, another nice looking day, and as long as the price keeps on building higher bases like it's been doing the past few days, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So just focus on building those higher bases and sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.